Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across one of my videos, welcome. My name is Jeremy Paul Bentula and I'm a photographer, filmmaker based here in Houston, Texas. I do everything from gear reviews, unboxings, travel videos, wedding content, lifestyle videos, you name it. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Consider subscribing to my channel for all things related to filmmaking and photography. We are reviewing today the SANDMARC GoPro action pole. So ever since I got my one wheel, using my current setup, which is the 80D with a variety type of lenses, has just not been cutting it for me. Sometimes I just feel very anxious when I'm holding my setup. But for B-roll shots while I'm riding, I have found out that that is not the most optimal camera setup to be using to capture action shots. I've been using this great product. It's made by a company called SANDMARC. It is a action cam extension rod for GoPros. This model is the 17 to 40 inch model. Now that I have the capability to ride around and get one wheel footage, this has been an awesome addition to the gear kit. At its shortest length, it reaches about 17 inches. I did lose the little tightening cap. I don't know if y'all can see it. Once you get it tightened in, I mean, you're good to go. So this rod can extend to about 40 inches maximum. So as you can see here, this is how long the pole gets. This action cam rod has been a great addition to my workflow because this is the one thing that I just use for everything on my GoPro now. Regarding one wheel content, you know, you can grab so many angles with this. It has a nice rubber grip. It's got its logo right here, SANDMARC. As you can see here, the cross stitching on the SANDMARC GoPro pole is designed in a way where it adds extra comfortability and grip. So it did take this on a jet ski. And like I said, without the little metal lock right here, kept loosening. That was always a worry. The camera never drooped down or anything, or felt like it was going to actually fall off of the pole. Literally grab the first stage, easy as twisting it, and then once you get to the end, twist it until you hear it click. So now that's disengaged and we are extended. And then you twist it the opposite way to lock it up. So if you continue to loosen this, you can actually completely remove these and maybe get, you know, air dust. Like if you have sand or any dirt or grime that's been built up in here, that's a way you can clean the pole. It's very comfortable, very sturdy. This is my old kind of like selfie stick that I was using for my GoPro. I currently have the Hero 5 Session. This wrist strap, it's nice and sturdy. It actually feeds into this rubber pole, so I feel like a little bit more secure with having it there. The only issue is that you have to take your free hand off of the pole and you have to flip this little lock, slide it, and then drop the lock. It's not that big of a deal, but if you let go by accident, you're just gonna, Currently, this pole runs about $39.99. I will leave the link in the description below so you guys can check it out, pick one up for yourself, and see what I'm talking about. There are a lot of use case scenarios for this. I've taken this on a tour of Austin's hill country wine fields in Lake Travis in Austin. guys so much for checking this video out. I hope you enjoyed the gear review of the SANDMARC 17 to 40 inch GoPro pole. Do consider subscribing to my channel for content like this in the future. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post another video. My name again is Jeremy Paul Bentulin. Hit like and I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next video. See you later, guys.